This is Linux Overdose. Today's April the 2nd, 2016. This is episode 2, beginning to end Linux Mint. And this is part 3, final setup. And as you can see, I'm still in the virtual box. We just installed Linux Mint 17.3 ROSA MATE onto the virtual drive, and this is a default. And right now we got updates, so we're gonna go ahead and update the system, and we're just gonna press do you want to switch to your local mirrors? Local mirrors are usually faster than package linuxmint.com. So we're just going to say okay to this. Put our password. Click on the main ROSA. And these are all the closest mirrors to my location. So we'll wait till that gets done, which is handy to have something like that. This is the first time I've seen it on this operating system. Alright, it's done. So we press apply, update the cache. Close this, and now we can just go ahead and install updates. Click on that. Again, put our password in, which was green. And here's all the stuff it's going to install, which is 89 recommend updates, which is 10 megabytes. So this is all stuff is going to update. It's already been installed. These are just the update versions. Since this live ISO was installed, it's been updated since. So I just click on install updates, put in my password. And now it's downloading the package files. And after it downloads it, it will install. And I'm sorry about the audio. This microphone that came with this recording device I got, it's still buggy. The first episode and part 2, episode 2 and part 1 don't sound too bad, but part 2 sound pretty bad, and I don't know, maybe this will sound bad too. Soon I get this other new mic, audio will be a lot better, so I apologize on audio at this time. And now we're installing software. So this is how easy it is to install Linux. It's not hard. This is the Linux Mint, the Mate version. And of course I haven't checked it out yet. We just installed it. I'm doing updates, which that's what you should always do. And it shouldn't require a reboot. I never reboot unless it requests a reboot. So we'll wait till this is installed. And usually do when you get to this point is you just explore, get to know your system, where everything's at. And okay, this is done, so I'll close this, and I'm gonna go full screen, which was control, the right controller, and F, which that's what this says up here. Switch, and we got the full install. We already update. Right here's that little check mark, meaning your system's up to date. And right now it's updated, so you can change the background if you don't like this. Just right click, change desktop background, and they should appear here. Yeah, right here they are. So we got all these pictures, or we can find more online. Right here's the default one, and these are just looks like background sceneries. All of these are. So if you're into that, then you choose one of these. You also can choose black, it looks like. Me, I really don't like none of them, and the default one is not too bad, so I'll leave this as default. Right here's your user folder, and it's clean here. To see the dot files, click on view, show hidden folders, and these are all your hidden folders. Which you got your config files here by default. And got bash logout, DMRC, which is display manager, RC, which is blank. We got looks like lock, and you got your profile, and this is your VBox client. You won't see these, you only see these because it's VirtualBox. And I'm online, right here I'm online, and right here's the menu, and this is all stuff that's pre-installed. And then here's your browser, which is Firefox, and the default. And the default right here is that. Of course you can change it. You can change your home page to wherever you want. Right now this is your default. So anything you don't like or want to improve, I usually just Google everything, find out how to change stuff. You can go to Linux Mint forum, which is right here. We got forums, we got blog, so we're already hooked up to Linux Mint Mate, so we can try to find out any problems and then solve our own problems. I really wasn't ready for this final setup, so what I'm going to do is right now, what questions do you have at this point right now? I will have other segments of preferences I like to do, and how to install, which I pretty much showed you. Like here, I'll go to package manager, my password, and this is what I usually use to and you're only going to show this once. This just tells you what it is, but this is all software I can install, which is 47,000 packages listed. I got a little over 2,000 already installed, and you just hit search and just look for whatever you want, or you can just go through it. Anything that's not marked green, it's not installed. So anything green is installed. Like here, we got that installed. And of course, you ain't gonna know everything that's installed. Like you might want to make these fonts bigger, which you can under appearance. Under here, this is how you can pretty much change anything in your system. Like right here, appearance, fonts, and right here is the defaults. So, and they're 9 and 10. If that's too small, then you can choose any other fonts here, like Ubuntu, if you want to turn that, and say medium. Right here's a little preview, and you can make it bigger. See how clear it looks. Regular, medium, and I'm gonna press OK, and you see that thing's got bigger. And that's the applications in your document, your desktop, window title fonts, and fixed width fonts. And you can download different fonts, change the size, the look, and the render and all that. So like I said, I wasn't really ready for this final setup. Kind of wore out today and disappointed on the sound. So I'll probably just end this, and the next one, the beginning to end, is Debian. I don't know when I'll get to that, and I like I said, I'll probably have other episodes. I'm gonna do this beginning to end for 10 Linux distros. This is number 1, so I got 9 more to go, and any new ones that come in the top 10 before I end the 10th one. And I just save other things for questions. I'll go ahead and leave this in my virtual box, and any questions, I just go in here, and I might change a few things here and then explain how I do it. I'll probably come back and do a advanced thing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign off, and hopefully the sound is good on this, and hopefully I hear from you guys for any questions.